In this video, we're gonna generate a bundle for Kinvey and update and deploy the corresponding microservices in Kinvey. And to illustrate all that, we'll use a demo where we're essentially updating the pricing of a car insurance calculation. Here is the role sheet that we're going to deploy. So essentially what we're going to say is let's change the price of a special offer we are doing for drivers 20 to 22, but I've not driven too much during the day. So we're going to change that the cost we assign today. Pretty complex. It has several role sheets. And the only part we're going to change is the first part here. But of course, the price increases depending on what kind of zone you're driving into and based also on your vehicle cost. So for the illustration here, we are going to change the special deal we have at 233. So let's put it at 333. Save this. And well, that's the only thing a business analyst has to do, update rules. As you can see, they don't deal with Kinvey, and then hand off the entire solution to typically a 90 person that is gonna deploy this. So here for deploying, you have the option of obviously to do it on the command line, but for the sake of a demo, we're gonna go through the UI. So we have a new option here when we generate a role flow. So everything works the same as usual, same kind of dialogue, but we select Progress Kinvey. And let's finish. As I said, everything is the same here. So you would everything you know about other deployments apply here. Okay, we have successfully generated. Jump into where this is generated. Okay. So I have generated this, we have the bundle and the sample. So let me open the sample briefly. We have some information here where we explain, right, that this is a Kinvey FlexFunction FlexService type. You have more information here. Other than that, as you can see, this is a node kind of deployment. It uses the SDK from Kinvey, so I won't get into all these details. At the end of the day, we don't do anything special for Corticon integration. It's a regular Kinvey FlexService deployment. So please refer to the doc to see all the details on deployment. But the other point I want to mention is how we invoke the decision service. So you see here this line, that's a key line. I mean, we still invoke the service as we usually do. Execute on decision service, we pass a payload as the first parameter and a configuration. So everything you know about previous execution target like AWS, Lambda, or Azure, or GCP, or Node apply here. It's the same kind of mechanism. The surrounding APIs and the entry points are slightly different, and you have to refer to Kinvey documentation for more context. Where do we get the payload from? Well, the callback here from Kinvey has 3 parameters. The first one is a context, and this is where we can extract the body property that contains the payload. So all in all, pretty simple, nothing special, and we return, we stringify the result and pass it back to the REST service. So what I'm going to do is here, I'm going to copy just the new rules and runtime here. Since I have already deployed, we just want to update. I'm going to replace in my target directory here um, the new set of roles, and we're going to deploy them. So this is, I'm going to get into Kinvey specifics here, but we need to update the package.json to give it a new version. So I'm incrementing my version number here for this deployment. And yeah, essentially, now I'm ready to deploy. So let's go to see where we are. I'm going to do a Kinvey Flex status, see that my online version is version 1 or 12. I'm running on Node 10, and it's completed. So now for deploying, I just need to invoke the command Kinvey Flex deploy. And this is essentially going to replace the existing Kinvey microservice with the new version I've uploaded here. So let me do a Kinvey status, Flex status. I see now this is building, and it's deploying version 1 of 10. We highlight this parameter. We see that. Okay. So this is going to take, you know, maybe 20, 30 seconds. So I can do a couple of status to find out when this is built. So let's wait until this has finished building and has finished deploying. Okay, now I see it has completed deployment, so I'm all good. I have version here 1 of 10 deployed, and I'm all set. So I'm ready to invoke the service again and see the changes. So we are going to send the same payload. So now I sent the payload, and I have my new price computation.